Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and this is a 2022 LX 420. All of the features and components on all of our LX line are consistent throughout the different sizes. So you should have a pretty good idea by the end of this video of some of the features that the LX offers. So we'll start with this boat here. So all of our LX boats feature a fully thermo-welded tomb construction, and that removes the glue that is standard in inflatable boat seams that are prone to failure. So having that thermo-welding bonding process will give you typically a lot longer life of the boat. So the material we use for our boats is a German Mehler fabric, and we also use a German Haytex fabric. It just depends what's available at the time. They've both found to be incredible fabrics and have definitely proven the test of time. Some of the features that you'll see on our new 2022s is we've added D-rings throughout the boat. We've added Scotty bases throughout the boat as well. So on this particular model, on all boats 380 and above, we have 6 Scotty bases standard on the LX, and then on the 360s and down, we have 5 Scotty bases on the boats. Looking at the boat here, starting at the back, we have a wraparound Lifeline. Now this Lifeline is a very thick, very high quality military grade Lifeline, as well as the interior Lifeline. And what that allows you to do is to reach in and help to pull yourself over. It works really well when using it with the swim ladder accessory that is also available. At the back of the boat here, this feature is our fully welded one-piece aluminum transom. And that transom is bonded to the tube. We glue it to the tube, and then all around that material, we wrap another layer of material. So it's a double secure method of installing the transom. Most transoms that you'll see out on the market are marine ply and with plastic transom holders. Now, what you'll find with those is that they all break down, they all fail. We see it time and time again. Customers of other brands of boats will come into the shop and they're looking for a new boat. And when we get into the discussion on why, it's typically the transom has failed on the boat. So all of our boats, LX series to our Pro series, they all have this aluminum fully welded one-piece transom. It'll never rot, it'll never warp, bend, break. So having this again is just giving you one extra feature that will really help the longevity of your purchase. Bow design on all of our 380s and above now, we've gone to a 12-degree bow rise at our bow. And what we find is when you're out on the water, that really helps to disperse the water off the hull a lot better than the traditional D-style bow. Now you do lose about the tiniest little bit inside of the boat, not enough that you would ever really notice, but the performance upgrades that this new LX line and our HGs and our Pro is incredible. But we offer that on all models. You can see in the bow of the boat there, that's a bow bag. So all of our LX boats come with a bow bag and an underseat storage bag with a cushion. All of the Scotty bases are pre-installed onto the boat for you. Now, when I say Scotty base, it's not this attachment part. This part is a plug and play into the base that's pre-installed for you. And you can see it in the middle of the boat. We have bimini mounts installed, and what that allows you to do is at any time during your ownership, you can simply plug the bimini into the boat. The 6 points for that bimini are already on the boat for you. When we look online and people are always asking us to compare, it's really difficult to compare a product like this that has these features and accessories that come standard to anything else on the market. Each one of these additional D-rings, the Lifeline, the bow bags, the Scotty bases. So the LX line also has something called Stryker Shield, which wraps underneath the tubes and the bow, and it's a thick corrugated rubber protection. That's going to help your boat last that much longer than a traditional inflatable boat. So we've included all of these features into the base price of the LX. The LX is our entry-level model boat, but there's nothing entry-level about this boat. This boat is fully featured, has more accessories and more attachments than I've seen on any other boat. And even when you're out on the water, you'll find you'll even want to add more. I know I always find that I want to add more. For us here, we do need to draw the line. We do have some other models with some more features, but as an entry-level, fully featured boat, you'll never find anything that comes close or compares to the value that you're going to get in this model in our LX line right here.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just